Hello, everybody. This is Bill the Adjuster with your Smart Claim series, and today we're going to talk a little about the difference between a guarantee, a warranty, and insurance, and which one do you need, and really what's the difference. First of all, a guarantee is generally something that comes with a product that you buy. So it's a formal commitment, a contract where the specific terms will be specified that will happen. If not, they'll repair or replace that item, or the amount of money that you paid would be refunded. So most guarantees come with a product that you buy, and it says this thing will do this task for 3 years, and if it fails, we'll either fix it, we'll give you another one, or if we can't do that, we'll give you your money back. Often when you buy those in-store agreements, additional insurance, we'll call it, they call them maintenance agreements or extended care coverage. Those generally offer a larger time frame to guarantee the product. And if you read those, almost all of them are limited to the original price paid for the item, because ultimately when that item fails, it's beyond them even being able to get that product again. All right, a warranty is I would say the least of the three. It basically states that it states that the item will meet a standard. So it doesn't guarantee anything. It just says that we say it should do this for this period of time, and if not, we have a way to remedy that for you. So a warrant of something is not really all that strong. It'll say that we warrant this vacuum cleaner for 2 years to be free from defects, and you bring it home and it doesn't vacuum well at all. That's not a violation of the warranty. It still was free from defects, even though it doesn't vacuum all that well. So a warranty is really more of a marketing ploy as far as the level of teeth it has in protecting you. So if you take a look at the difference between a guarantee and a warranty, a guarantee is a formal promise made, and a warranty is written assurance. You can hear the difference there. Guarantee is a promise, warranty is assurance. You can be assured. And then the guarantee varies by item, and basically a warranty is the term depending on the durability of the product. So a guarantee can be as long as the manufacturer or person wants it to be, and a warranty is really going to be kind of like brakes and tires, right? They have a so many mile warranty, and even if they fail, they say, well, we'll give you some of your money back. So you can see how light these are in the consumer world. So people say, I have a guarantee or I have a warranty on something. Do I need insurance? Well, insurance is really in the event of. And most insurance is meant to protect you from ensuing damage. So let's say you have that same vacuum cleaner and you used it and it kind of exploded, not to hurt anybody, but it blew smoke and soot all over the house. The insurance covers you for all the damage the vacuum created. So if it caused fire, if it caused smoke, it caused soot, the insurance would cover that. The warranty might also pick up the cost of the vacuum, but probably won't contribute to the cost of the repairs. Ultimately, there may be subrogation, meaning they could be negligent on their product and it could come back where they owe to compensate your homeowners back. But ultimately, the ensuing damage is why you buy insurance. Liability is probably the biggest reason people have insurance. It's for what it causes. That vacuum cleaner has insurance, believe it or not, from its manufacturer. So if that vacuum cleaner did fail and did create damage, their insurance policy is really what's going to settle the score. You need to have liability coverage as well when you drive your vehicle. You might have a warranty or a guarantee on the car, but when you hit somebody, you're going to need liability insurance. The warranty or guarantee doesn't cover any of that, and it certainly doesn't cover damage to the car, right? So I have a guarantee and a warranty on my vehicle. I get in an accident, well, they don't pay to fix the car. Not part of those terms, because the car did what it was supposed to do. And ultimately, insurance is what we really need to cover us for accidents. So generally, insurance doesn't cover the item itself. Items have coverage for theft and damages, non-warranted and guaranteed events. So if you have a fully guaranteed and a fully warranted item, you have no coverage most likely. There is some weird stuff out there, but most likely you have no coverage for theft of that item, or if that item gets damaged by something. If a tree falls on your brand new, fully guaranteed and warranted snowblower, the snowblower's warranty and guarantee doesn't cover that because it did what it was supposed to do, but insurance covers you for the things that accidentally happen. Hopefully that makes sense to you. You need insurance. It is way better than guarantees and warranties on products as well. It protects you from liability and all the stuff that happens to the things that are guaranteed and warranted. I hope that helps. This is Bill the Adjuster, and it is nice to have that guarantee and warranty, but when you really need insurance, take a look. If your house burns down, the warranty and guarantee, you need insurance for the biggest risk in life. So thank you for watching, and please share this on any of your social media platforms. And if you have any questions, you can email us directly at smartclaim@metropa.com.